All right, if we jump back to the browser, we'll see that there's one more place where the text is bolder than it was before. And if we inspect this element, we'll see that this is an H1 tag. And the reason why this doesn't have 100 weight is simply because we haven't set it with our other headings. So let's add that in. I'm going to jump back to the editor, and here we're going to add an H1 as well. We'll save this, jump back to the browser and refresh. And now our heading looks more like what we intended. All right, I'm going to jump back to the editor. Now, are there any other properties where we would want to adjust the browser's base styling? Well, we can start by going down this list here. We've already decided that font size is too different between our different implementations of the text to change the default size. We have a combination of uppercase styling, so we're probably not going to move text transform to this. Letter spacing so far has been different in different headings. We only have borders on some of our headings. We're not aligning to the center on all of our headings. And of course, the padding and margin is different as well. So I think at this point, the font weight is all we want to set here in terms of overriding the browser defaults. But what about the other typographical element that we've dealt with, the paragraph? If we scroll down and we look at our two implementations of a paragraph, both here and here, we can see that they both have a line height of 170%. This number is relative to the font size, so it works, even though the font size is different in both of these paragraphs. I'm going to take a guess right now that anywhere where we're going to use paragraphs on our site, we're going to want this extra spacing in between lines. So let's override the default for the paragraph tag to set it to have a line height of 170%. So I'll cut this line, I'll scroll up to the top, and let's add a P selector. I'll paste in the line height, and let's remove this from the other paragraph selectors. So I'll do a quick search for line height, and we'll jump to the next item here. This is a paragraph, I'll remove it. This is a paragraph down here, I'll remove the line height. All right, that looks like everything. I'll save this and jump back to the browser and let's take a look. It looks like our line height here is holding, and if we scroll up to our other paragraphs, we'll see the line height cascading to them as well. We can check really quick on these ones by making our browser size smaller. All right, and it looks like the line height is good.